Blake. This is Midnight Adventures.
Take one.
Action.
You don't want this on?
No, copyright. I'm saying.
Ah, no way.
What to do at night when you're bored? Oh, the first thing that came up. Light off fireworks. Actually, I just made that up, but I do have fireworks actually. When the gas station's locked and you can't get your drink.
I'm going to become dehydrated.
Y'all, what kind of vibes are you on right now? Are you on a Coke vibe? Laura is on a Coke vibe. Station number 2. Hey Blake, you think this one's open?
Yep, because I read on a comment when I mapped it, some nice fellow said, this is only 24/7 Super America near my house, so it's very convenient. And I was like, well, thanks, Todd, for
Wow.
reviews.
Wow, there you have it. We have a open Super America. Now that I think about it, that looks oh, hey Blake. That looks pretty darn good. I come in to get an icy. It's out of order. I saw the sign out there, I was like, I want an icy.
Sucks.
And it's out of order and pop's bad for you.
I got you one though.
Oh, thanks. We are now going searching for cool bridges in St. Paul. Keep you updated if we find one. This is freaking sketchy. Woo. This brings me back to the sketchy 8th grade days and middle school days, hiding from the cops at night. But first, let me take a selfie. We found a huge beetle that needs help because he's stuck on his back. Blake, help this guy out.
Ooh, he's hard.
There you go, buddy. You're welcome.
I think you killed him.
Oh no, he's ready to fight. That's a Japanese fighting beetle. What's up? What's up? So we met a bunch of more reckless kids. Oh my gosh, this is so steep. Hey, bro. Don't fall.
Bro, I'm wearing Burks.
Hey. Burke gang, get out here.
They're comfortable. They're kind of uncomfortable when you first.
Guys, I just slid down this whole hill.
No.
Free fall.
Yeah.
Just kidding. False alarm. Dang.
Yeah, you should have went the east way. We'll go the east way. Are you guys serious?
I haven't been here in a long time. Is the gate fixed up there?
One over here.
They did fix it. That?
Yeah, we can get. I can get through it.
No, I can't get through that.
Really? Yeah, you have to like push.
You going through the tunnel?
Oh, I could just
Oh,
go
the tunnel's
above it.
over there. We're just waiting for them to get down.
It's like this big.
And we ran into a professional artist here. What are you making there?
Iceman.
She's making Iceman. All right, Blake. What's the next move here?
The move is I'm gonna go right here.
I know.
I'm gonna turn my phone off, and you're gonna use the lamp for me. I'm gonna run down this tree.
Hashtag parkour. Oh, this is so sketchy. Freaking water behind me. It's so loud in here.
Yeah, I forgot to bring my speaker. It's in my car. Is it dirty water? I don't know. Hey, buddy.
Woo! This is like the trippiest, scariest tunnel I've ever been in. Oh, watch out!
Shoot it forward. See how far it goes. Oh, you almost fell.
We survived.
I'm so tired. I'm so sweaty. I had no idea what was gonna happen. when I texted Spencer, what's up?
How's that aqua? You know how it is. Just chilling in my new condo I purchased and spin chair. If this table spins too, that's nope. I don't even want this condo anymore. And that concludes Midnight Adventures episode 1.
I'm shot.
Peace.